My dear, what's your name?
My name is Abdullah Salima.
So, what's your father's name?
My father's name is Abdullah Hadi.
We are trying our best to give her properly. Actually, if she is a kid, so please, if she make any kind of mistakes in this video, please pardon us. And
He's a kid, she's so cute. Best of luck to Adila. Hello everybody, it's me Maliha binti Masud speaking to you. Today I have come here. Right now we are going to have a conversation among three persons. So let's get started.
thank you so much. Actually, guys, right now we have an interesting person, a special person with us. Actually, she is a very special person to us. That's why we're making a blog video for practicing purpose. Actually, she is our tutor's daughter. Now we will ask her some questions, and she will try her best to give the answer properly. So let's get started.
Must watch this video, never skip any part. So watch this video, keep doing.
My dear, what's your name?
My name is Abdullah Salima.
So what's your father's name?
My father's name is Abdullah Hadi.
So what's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Tasdika Farhana.
What class do you study in?
1.
Oh, so what's your school's name?
Thank you so much, my dear Adila, for giving us your best. So guys, actually, to be honest, I want to share with you something. Actually, she is our, or you can say, one kind of a nephew. Actually, she's very special for us. Actually, we have spent a lot of time with her, and we are trying our best to give her properly. Actually, she is a kid, so please, if she make any kind of mistakes in this video, please pardon us, and also please pardon us, so that we can try to do something in our upcoming life. Now I'd like to ask my sister that would you like to share your feelings with how do we spend with our time, our lovely time, our valuable time. Please share your feelings with our lovely audience.
He has given me opportunity. I'll present all of the viewers, those who are watching. Actually guys, I have spent all of my times here so fantastically. She's a kid, she's so cute. Best of luck to Adila, because she'll brought up day by day and she'll increase her child, her kid study life and brought up. Then we're so happy for that. We are making a blog video with a kid. So you have to also try every single day to make a video with anyone, or you can make by yourself, because it is so important for doing every single day. So that is why we are making a blog video just for practicing purpose. It is a spoken English, guys. As we are speaking, that is no matter, but for a language, as a language, we have to take it. Don't take a huge things, not a big deal for us.
Now, my dear viewers, I would like to ask my dear Adila one question, one simple question. So, do you want to learn English?
Yes, I need to learn.
Okay, thank you so much.
So, by listening Muwaj speech and Adla's speech, we have understood that every people should learn English. It is most important for us. As not a subject, as a language, we have to take it. It is a global language, international language as well. So, for communicate with other person, for a foreigner, so we must have to learn it. As our native language is other, but we have to take it. So, great on like our native language. So, we have to create the environment.
Yeah, guys, actually, if you see that we try to make video, we try to speak English, so we are trying our best to give you some inspiration to learn English. So please learn English, and don't forget to like, comment, and share in this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow Muwaj and Maliha English Tour. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.